Now we already put the block in the shaft of the pinning machine now. So for this boring machine, the hole is exactly perfect. I think it's not moving. You see, you no need to climb to fix the block. Now we start the machine now. Also, this power, how to connect the power? This also have through wire 1, 2, 3. Okay, you connect power this through wire. So by what? Also from the transfer. You see, 415 volt here. Here maybe we have meter. It's 480 in this position. Transfer boring machine we already test. Now we test this machine now. Turn on the power. Now also here have a turn on the power inside of the box. And this emergency stop we just turn to up. And this is the power on. Now power on. The screen is showing up. The screen is showing up. Well, it's a field machinery. Now they have the two different versions. One is the Chinese. This is the Chinese. This is English version. Now we press English. Coming into the panel of the. Now this is the knife cutting. You see, wear means grinding wear, grinding knife, feeding on. Feed on means the block is turned by the roller. I mean, this roller we are turn on. I show you feeding. I press feeding. You see, the roller is moving too fast. We stop too fast. You see, also this winding also moving. This is adjust the speed of the roller. We check here. Maybe now it's 9.4. So 9.4 it's okay, I think. This is dependent on the nature of the form. If the form is difficult to cut, you slow down the speed. Now we maybe slow down speed. We first stop the feeding, stop the roller. Okay, this is manual. This is cutting. What's cutting mean? Well, this cutting up. That to say block up. Where is block down? Oh, this block up. This block down. Now control way. Automatic, you see, automatic manual. Okay, now we check the block must run down to touch the knife. This ruler, understand? So we moving down the block. How to moving down the block? First we press the menu. This is automatic menu. We switch to menu. Block up. Block down. You see now, block is down now. You see, block down now. But now we not turn the knife. This knife, okay. Here the grinding stone, grinding motor, grinding shaft. You put the shaft in center of the. You see, it's moving down. Down. You see, we check it's down or not. It's done. You listen to the sound, the noisy. Okay. Maybe this roller, you see the gap between the roller and the knife. I think the distance is too much. So we adjust the roller up by this. You see now the block is down now. It's really touch. We must stop or not? 可以停止了吗? Stop the block down now, because we think it's already. You see, it's touched the knife now. We also adjust this roller. You see, this position is up. Okay, The roller is up. Then to see the gap of the knife between the roller and the gap. This roller move the block. This roller moving the block. Huh? Okay. The customer, what thing is customer wants to cut? It seems 8 millimeter. So 8 millimeter, the gap must also have 8 millimeter. 可不可以了了？ Here also have a cylinder. You see, cylinder is push the roller up. If we not by manual, so we have a connection for the air connection here. You just have a pipe here, then this will up. But now we must adjust this roller down. Then we use the air cylinder. If we already the roller touch the knife, you use the cylinder, it's way up. Then this roller will crush with the knife. You understand me? Okay. Okay, we check the two sides of the block. Here is just a touch, but this position now the block is touched too much, so need some up. Now we up. Stop. Okay, maybe okay now. Now it's done. It's moving. Okay. Huh? Now we done. No need done. I will teach you. No need done. Now you said to me you want to cut 8 millimeter. Now first we must trim the block because your block may be not round. Now we trim. Maybe trim we said 2 millimeter. No. Clean. 3 millimeter. With 3 millimeter to trim the block. 3 millimeter. You see thickness setting. Okay, now we start the machine now. How to start? Cutting. Okay, 我开启的了。Knife is moving. You see? Now knife is moving. 对的是 we must the knife move this direction. 反了 the direction is from here to 哪边的？应该是怎么移动的？ The knife distance moving direction like this must. So we stop. The knife distance stop the knife. Okay, we switch the power. We have this switch. You see, this is the different okay switch. 可以。You see, okay, maybe now because you maybe not have this switch. You just change the connection of the 3 wire. You maybe change here. Exchange the 3 wire. Okay, exchange. Okay, after we change, we start again. This turn the power on. English instead. Now it's manual. Now we test the knife again. Knife turn direction again. We start. 对不对的？你看到没有？我关一下。Stop it. 哈 Stop it. The knife moving this direction. But it's still must like this. Yes, correct. Now it's moving like this. It's from this side to that side. 是不是？从这边到那边是不是对的？是不是 ？Okay, now it's correct now. Now okay, everything is okay now. I think we start now. Knife. We have already said the thing is 3. Knife. Where means greening. But sometimes, if your knife is sharp enough, you don't need a grinding. Okay. Now grinding, you can stop the grinding. No need a grinding knife. Now we feed the block But mass automatic, we switch to automatic, from manual to automatic. This is my automatic, this is automatic, okay? Now automatic, we start the feeding. Now feeding, the rewinding roller also turn. You see, it's also turn. The feeding roller also, this is speed, okay? No, not too much speed, something like 215. I think it's okay. Now, 先不调这个。 Now it's automatic. When this block is turned by manual, okay, first by manual. When the block is turned, it will down by itself. Because one turn, 3 millimeter. First we trim the block. 慢点，等一下，慢点，小刘，这里小刘不要把手搞下去啊 ！Be careful because now it's 到底下去搞。 It's a hot knife. We trim the block. OK， 来，慢点爬。看到，哎，等下慢点。等下小心点，不要把手这个。我到后面去。Be careful. OK， turn. Now we set one turn, 3 millimeter down. First， 哎，等下。Trim the block. 往后退 ，OK， 开始，哎，转吧，不要搞，哎，等下，多了的水还是要搞，小心，啊。 Someone behind the block. It's safe, I think. Stand behind. Okay, turn. 哎，可以了。哎，小心啊，注意点哈。Because now your block still not round, so we trim the block. When the block is turned by itself by the roller, then we no need to manual. 小心点，到后面去吧，你到后面去。We think now we stop the feeding. Stop feeding. Check. 是。Now we find some hand. Help us now. More hand. Okay, start. Now we start again. We must maybe slow down the speed a bit. Knife first. Knife. Automatic. We check automatic. You see, this is the menu. Automatic. Okay, after automatic. Feeding on. Now we maybe slow down the speed. I think it's too fast. I think. Okay. 小郭，来这卷不行，那个不行。It's still. 还没切，拉出来，往这边拉，3 millimeter。这个不要拉出来。等一下那个还没好。客户说到时候要寄点过去棉，切的棉，这个棉难不难切？普通棉也是普通棉的。Speed up. We speed up. Speed up. Now I think your block is still not round. 好了，你刚才没扯。Because your block left is not too much, so we first cut maybe 1.7 millimeter into 1.5 millimeter. So we cut not too much thickness. We cut thin foam to test the cutting ability first. Okay, we start now. Cutting, automatic, feeding, feed on. Now speed, 转起来，用手头转一下。Now we cut 1.5 millimeter. We must up some distance. 上，滚筒再上一点。再上。The gap of the knife we must move. 上，好。太狠了，再下一点。那不是顶着那个在转，你这个滚筒一转一转的，你这滚筒不受力。Now we stop the cutting because now the grinding motor, you see, grinding motor is still not back because your motor is 480. So we are waiting for the motor. But first we think it's no problem to cut your foam without grinding the knife. But now we find it's little grinding the knife. Then we can cut your block. So we stop here now and waiting for your 480 grinding motor return back. The grind